Welcome back to the channel. You might be having a problem with your electric water pump on 2018 and up Toyota Camry. Water pump looks like this, held by 4 bolts, has an electrical connector in the end of it. This is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. It's located right down here. There's electrical connector going to it, so let's start. Remove the electrical connector. We are not even going to remove the belt. We are going to access those 4 bolts holding it without removing anything else. For your information, these 4 bolts is size 12 millimeter. I'm gonna take a longer socket and use my power wrench, but first I'm gonna use my regular ratchet just to pop those loose and then unscrew them with my power tool. I managed to break loose the 2 bottom ones. I'm gonna already go ahead and unscrew those before I even start unscrewing the top ones. It is accessible without removing any of the stuff, like I see people removing belts and removing alternators. It's unnecessary. Okay, one more screw to remove and do it by hand. It's so easy, don't even have to use a power tool, just crack them open and unscrew them with your fingers. Here is our new gasket and new pump. So let's go ahead and pull the old one out and install our gasket, this rubber O-ring that you see here, and then mount the water pump to it. As you see, you are able to pull it out without removing the belt. The belt will stretch and the tensioner will give you some room, so you can pull the belt away and slide out your old pump and slide in your new pump. From this angle you can see our rubber O-ring. We're gonna go ahead and get the pick, remove that and install a new one. Our new rubber seal is installed. Make sure it stays at its place when you're installing the water pump. New pump going in. New seal properly secured. Make sure it doesn't slide off. New pump is against the block, and yeah, you need to slide it in properly, like align the hole, and it slides in pretty freely. I have hand tightened all the 4. If you're screwing in the first one, make sure to screw it all the way in that you can with your fingers, so that will hold the whole water pump against the housing and secures the rubber O-ring where it needs to be. Now I have hand tightened all 4, and now it's time to go crisscross pattern and tighten them down nice and snug. 4 bolts tightened down. Grab your connector, install your connector back, make sure it clicks. Now it's time to refill our coolant with the proper rubber coolant for this Toyota engine. Make sure you use the correct one. And what else? After we fill it up, we turn the car on, turn the heater to the max so it circulates through the heater core as well and gets out all the air pockets from the cooling system. Otherwise your coolant's gonna be boiling and your car will be still overheating. So top up your coolant, turn the car on, leave it running, let it sit and idle on maximum heat temperature with the slowest speed. And if you have the vacuum tool, you can go ahead and get your vacuum tool here and suck out all the air. But so that's it for today. Hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Like and subscribe. One tip I would say, remove the belt. It's gonna make your life a little bit easier, give you a little bit extra room. So remove the serpentine belt to give yourself extra room, but I didn't need to do it. If you have a previous experience, then you can do it without removing anything else. So like, subscribe and leave a comment.